Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for September 9th, 2024, Part 2. This week's theme is barbershops and beauty shops. Bad Hair Day by Susan Hood, illustrated by Joy Allen. My hair is long. I cannot see. My mother says, "Please come with me." My mother says, "Just a snip." Her scissors go clip, clip, clip. Oops, my bangs are out of line. My mom says, "Wait, just give me time." Snip, 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 clip, clip, clip. Now my bangs take a dip. One side is up, one side is down. I grab my hat. We walk to town. "We will fix it," says my mom. "We will go to Mr. Tom. Please do not fret and do not fuss. Bad hair days come to all of us." I look and see that it is true. Not all hair does what it should do. Some hair sticks up in the air, giving people quite a scare. Crazy curls from too tight perms bob along like wiggly worms. There is hair that's pink and blue, a beehive and a bird's nest too. Her hair has streaks, his hair is flat. I'm glad my hair is not like that. One man's hair just blows away. For him today's a no hair day. Mr. Tom says, "Just a snip." His scissors go clip, clip, clip. I wear my hat to school next day. What will kids think? What will they say? My teacher says, "Hats off, please." Surprise, surprise, a good hair day. The kids all want their hair this way. The end. We're going to make our own hat. What you need is some markers. I have Sharpies. You can use fabric markers or any other permanent marker. If you use washable markers, you just can't wash the hat or get it wet. So that's up to you. Or you could use fabric paint, but I'm just going to use the markers. And all you're going to do is your Craft to Go kit is this white hat. I'm going to make some flowers on mine, just because I like flowers. You can design yours any way you'd like. Put as much or as little color in it as you'd like. I'm just going to use the two colors, I think. But do it how you'd like, and I'm going to go and work on mine. And when I come back, I'll show you what mine looks like. Okay, I'm all done. This is what my hat looks like. I just made a plaid top and some flowers and my name. So you can do yours however you'd like.